How to enable dark mode on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the top left. Then click on gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. In here, scroll down and you will find App Appearance. Click on App Appearance. You'll find different options in here. Simply click on the moon-like icon, which is System Dark. After you do that, press on Apply Theme at the bottom. After you click on Apply Theme, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Restart App. After you do that, app will be restarted and you'll find everything in dark mode. This is how to enable dark mode on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.